Welcome back to a pack a day. I'm your host John, and we're on day 74. This is the second Archazia's Island pack from a trove I got from Target. We had amazing luck with the first pack, getting a enchanted Ratigan, so let's see if our luck continues. Spaghetti Dinner, Honey Marin. I've actually not seen Frozen 2. Is it a good movie? Grunge. Card Soldiers. Iconic art right there. Training Staff. Honey Lemon. Maurice's Machine. Hilarious art. The Troubadour. Ruby Coil. And our rares are Calhoun. And, wow, amazing luck in our first two packs. Tamatoa and a cold foil legendary.